We've got Liam Jarvis in the studio. Liam, how you doing?
I'm good, mate. Yeah, ready to go again.
Ready to go again. Here we go again, eh? So you're going to do a second track for us? What's the second track?
So I've been umming and ahhing.
You said that, didn't you?
know,
You was like,
yeah,
which way do I go?
So I'm in a little. Oh, I'm going to play this one. It's reason being, to me, it's probably the greatest lyric ever written. Yeah, it makes some people sad, it makes some people happy, but the words and how he explains it in the song is just unbelievable. You'll see when I start.
All yours. Thanks very much.
You'll know it from the first line.
Great stuff.
And now the end is near, and so I face the final curtain. Here, my friend, I'll say it clear. I'll state my case, which I'm certain, and I lived a life that's full. I've traveled each and every hour and more, much more than this. I did it my way. Still regrets, I've had a few. Then again, too few to mention. And I did what I had to do. I saw it through without exemption, and I planned each shattered course and each careful step along the byway. Much more than this, I did it my way. Oh yes, there were times I'm sure you knew. Still when I beat off more than I could chew. But through it all, when there was doubt, I gave it up and spat it out. I faced it all, I stood tall and did it my way. Said I loved, I laughed and cried, had my fill, my share of losing, and now as the tears subside, I find it all so amusing. And to think I did all that, and may I say, not in a shallow way. Oh no, oh no, not me. I did it my way. What is a man? What has he got? If not himself, then he is not to say the things that he truly feels, and not the words one who deals. The record shows I took the blows, did it my way. If not himself, then he has not to say the things that he truly feels, and not the words one who kneels. The record shows I took the blows and did it my way.
Wow. I'm speechless. I don't know what to say.
Thank you very much.
Cheers.
Playing the very best music that's allowed on the air. Carl Mott live in the Bradford studio. This is St Luke's Sound.